Hi, good afternoon. It's David Stoffo with MarineMax here in Beaufort, Georgia. The reason I'm here with us today is I wanted to show you this real nice Crest II 220 tri-toon boat that we have in stock. Brand spanking new. It's white metallic in its exterior color. A little bit different with the beautiful tan upholstery. Complemented real nicely with this cabin life tan polyvinyl flooring. Really pulls the color in, super great. It's got the all fiberglass helm here with the tilt wheel. You got the 2-inch depth finder, fusion stereo that Bluetooths really well. Maybe the coolest thing in the world is this Captain's Cool cup holder, which will keep your Country Time lemonade nice and cool for you. Place to put your phone and your keys perhaps. Just a wonderful helm, a nice comfortable seating area. This boat has the power of a 150 Mercury 4-stroke, which really propels the boat extremely nicely. Also, paired up with that 150 is the CPT performance option, which has the aluminum underskinning. It has the lifting strakes. You can see the C-Star hydraulic steering, the nice big 48-gallon tank that's in with the boat, and you do get the 3 25-inch diameter tubes. So just a wonderful performing boat with that performance package. Plenty of room. This is the SLC seating plan, which is the split loungers with the center walk-through. So real nice ingress, egress, just a real smooth floor plan. The final thing is it does have the changing station on the boat and lots of entryways, way to get in and out of the boat. Powder coated rails makes it nice too. So thanks a lot for looking at the boat with us. It's a 2019 model Crest 220 with the white exterior and the tan upholstery inside. Give us a call at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia at 770-614-6968. We'd love to help you as a team. We're all trained to help. And my name's David Stoffo, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks.
Got it.